Gavi is a public-private partnership. We have the express mission to improve access to vaccination to children and protect people's lives through creating sufficient and sustainable health systems.
Zipline is a company that has created a technology that serves everybody. We do last-mile logistics and getting product out where it needs to be on demand.
When you look at the entire partnership between the three of us, you couldn't have asked for a better fit.
When a vaccine is produced from a manufacturer, it's shipped all the way to a country. What happens when the vaccine comes into a country's national port? Vaccines are very fragile, particularly where you have one which requires very special conditions.
In places where you don't have cold storage, the burden usually falls on people to figure out how to get access to the vaccine themselves. And these are the people who are the least served by the health system.
Getting to that community and getting to that health facility can be challenging for a number of reasons. There may not be roads. Even where there are roads there, sometimes the time taken to get that vaccine towards a health facility can be really challenging.
Sometimes you have weather disruption. A road is washed out entirely because of flooding. Sometimes you have river communities and you have islands. In these situations, a Zipline is a lot more reliable way to get a product.
UPS came in with the funding, initial investment. UPS as a whole has been responsible for delivering close to 1.4 billion vaccine doses around the world. From a foundation perspective, to date we've delivered over 33 million doses to countries that need them most.
We know now the impact of investing in vaccination systems. For an investment of every dollar, that returns a 51 plus return on investment on a broader economic benefit for communities and global economic benefit.
It had to be a scalable solution, which is what we've been able to prove, especially when you look at the expansion into the other countries that we're looking at, so Ghana and Nigeria.
These are lessons that we are learning today that will not only help ending this pandemic, but then help us to translate those learnings into the routine immunization system.
Having been born in Kenya and raised in Kenya, the work we're doing is quite significant and meaningful.
For us, access and speed is something that Zipline does best. It's deeply fulfilling work.
The power of this partnership is putting in place the systems today that will help solve problems of tomorrow.